Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on how to log in. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step process on how you can sign up for your Blooket account. So follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. Blooket is a learning platform where teachers host games through question sets and students answer on their own device. Now to open up your Blooket account, firstly you need to head over to any web browser on your PC and there search for blooket.com and press enter on your keyboard. Now, if you already have a Blooket account, then you can tap on login button at the top right and get logged into your Blooket account. But if in case you want to sign up for your Blooket, then tap on sign up button at the top right corner of your screen. And there you will be taken to the next page where you will be given two options, either to sign up with the Google or your email. Now by tapping on this first option, sign up with Google, you will be directly taken to this type of page where you have to choose an account to continue to Blooket. And once you choose an account, you will be able to create your Blooket account instantly. But if in case you want to create your account with your email, then you have to tap on the second option, sign up with email, and there you will take into the sign up page. Now here you have to firstly create your username. Once you create an username, head over to the second field where you have to type in your email address that you want to create your Blooket account with. And then you have to create a password for your Blooket account. And after that, you have to confirm your password by retyping the password that you have created. And then you have tap the square box. And once you do that, sign up button will be pop up on your screen. Now tap on sign up button. And there you go, you have successfully created your Blooket account. Now that was the quick and easy video on how you can create Blooket account. Hope you understand and found this video useful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Keep watching.